A convection oven can minimize temperature fluctuation by using a motorized fan to circulate the heated air evenly throughout the oven cavity. A faulty convection fan motor could result in the oven being unable to maintain an accurate temperature. To help determine if the motor is at fault, remove the convection fan cover and try turning the fan blades by hand. If the fan does not turn freely, it's likely the motor bearings have seized. You can also use a multimeter to test the fan motor for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the motor. The convection fan motor is located behind the oven's back panel. You will probably need to pull the range or oven away from the wall and remove one or more rear access panels to reach the motor. Disconnect the fan motor wires to isolate the motor windings or fully uninstall the component for testing. Rotate the multimeter's range selection dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance. Now contact the black meter lead to one of the convection fan motor's terminals and the red lead to the other terminal. If the meter display indicates 15 to 120 ohms of resistance, the fan motor has electrical continuity and should be functioning properly. However, if the meter display doesn't change, the fan motor has no continuity, and the motor will need to be replaced with a new one.